All right, let's get into it. For years, the world of personal AI has been, well, let's be honest, kind of lopsided. But a massive plot twist is coming, and it's setting the stage for what could be one of the biggest showdowns in tech we've seen in a long time. And that brings us to a question that, frankly, sounds kind of crazy to even ask out loud. Could Siri, yes, that Siri, the one we all love to make fun of, actually be on the verge of outsmarting the AI that basically changed the world? Let's break it down. So let's set the stage for this AI showdown. Because this is really a tale of two assistants. You've got the old veteran on one side and the disruptive newcomer that just rewrote all the rules on the other. I mean, the contrast is just staggering, right? For over a decade, Siri has been our go-to for simple stuff, setting a timer, maybe checking the weather, but ask it a complex question, it just falls apart. Then, boom, ChatGPT comes along, and suddenly an AI is writing our emails, our code, even poetry. It completely changed our expectations of what AI could do. And this quote right here just hits the nail on the head. It's how most of us feel, isn't it? For the longest time, Siri has basically been a very expensive, voice-activated timer that lives in our pocket. But here it is, the big plot twist. What happens when you take that familiar old assistant and give it a super-powered brain transplant using Google's Gemini AI? Suddenly, the entire game could change. And this leads us to Siri's potential secret weapon. See, it's not just about getting smarter with words. It's about using its home field advantage, its unique position deep inside the Apple ecosystem. The key to all of this is a technology called multimodal AI. Now that sounds super technical, but it's a huge deal. It means the AI doesn't just understand what you say, it can see what you see. It gets the context from your photos, your apps, and your personal data all at the same time. So, what does this actually look like in real life? Well, imagine you snap a picture of your fridge. Siri instantly suggests a few recipes you can make with what you've got. Or you ask for a workout, and Siri taps into your Apple Health data to create a routine that's perfect for you. And that is the core idea. We're not talking about a chatbot on a website anymore. This is a truly personal AI that is woven into the very fabric of your daily life. But there's always a but, right? There's a major catch. All of this incredible integrated power is almost certainly going to be trapped inside Apple's ecosystem. So yeah, it's powerful, but it definitely has those walled garden vibes. Okay, so now let's switch gears and talk about the reigning champion, ChatGPT. Because it plays a totally different game. Its strength isn't about being integrated into your life, it's about pure, unfiltered creativity. ChatGPT's advantages are crystal clear. It works everywhere, on any device. Talking to it feels incredibly natural, almost human, and its ability to generate new, creative ideas is still second to none. You want a marketing slogan, a script for a short film, a poem about your cat? ChatGPT is your go-to. And this, right here, might be the most important distinction of all. The new Siri is being designed to manage the data of your life. ChatGPT was built to expand the ideas in your mind. They are solving two completely different problems. That's why calling ChatGPT an imagination engine just fits so perfectly. A smarter Siri might be amazing at managing your calendar, but ChatGPT is still the undisputed champion when it comes to pure creation. So this brings us to the final face-off. It's a classic battle in the tech world, the super convenient, deeply integrated product versus the flexible, creative powerhouse that works everywhere. And to really understand what's happening, there's a perfect analogy from tech history, the good old war between Apple Maps and Google Maps. Just think about it for a second. Apple had the ultimate advantage. Its Maps app was the default on every single iPhone, total control. But for years, Google just had the better data, the better brain. This AI fight is shaping up to be almost exactly the same kind of battle. So let's just put it all together. On one side, you have Siri plus Gemini. Its strength? That seamless integration into your life. Its weakness? It's locked inside the Apple ecosystem. It's going to be amazing for quick on-the-go help. On the other side, you've got ChatGPT. Its strength is limitless creative power. Its weakness? It doesn't know you or your personal data. That makes it the king of brainstorming and creating new things. So, after all of that, who actually wins this thing? Well, the truth is, the real winner is us. You and me. Because this intense competition, this war between two giants, is forcing both of them to get better and innovate faster than ever. And for anyone who uses this technology, that is a massive, massive win. So ultimately, the big question isn't just about who will win the market. It's about what we really want from AI. As these two titans go head-to-head, you have to ask yourself, which matters more to you? An AI that seamlessly runs your life, or an AI that helps you expand your mind? Your answer to that is the one that really counts.